I was really rooting for this thing. I really was, honestly. When they announced the ROG Ally Xbox Edition, I was literally over the moon. I thought finally Microsoft and ASUS was stepping up. Maybe this one was going to be the one that gives Steam Deck a real fight. I was ready to fall in love with it. Instead, I got a reminder of why Windows should never run on a handheld. So let me start here. I've only ever owned two handhelds in my life: the original Nintendo Switch and the Steam Deck, and that's it. I never touched any of the other ones. So this here was my first experience ever touching a Windows-based handheld. And I gotta tell you, if this is what Windows gaming on handheld is supposed to be, it's an absolute disaster. I imagined a clean Xbox-like experience, something optimized, modern, smooth. Instead, what I got was a mini Windows laptop that just happens to have joysticks glued to the side of it. It's not innovation, that's just laziness. So it starts bad right out of the box. $1,000 handheld with a cardboard stand. Literally a cardboard stand. And then you pick it up and it feels hollow. The middle is dense, yes, but the handles are just like empty. And it doesn't feel like one cohesive piece of hardware. It feels cheap. When something is this expensive, it shouldn't sound hollow when you tap it. Then I tried to power on and nothing. It came with a completely dead battery. So I plugged it in, and that's when the real pain begins. Windows setup, Microsoft accounts, Wi-Fi, fingerprint registration, and then updates, drivers, BIOS updates. I kid you not, 1 hour before I could even see the desktop, 1 hour updates on a console. That is not gaming. That's onboarding a new laptop. And by the time I was finished, I didn't want to play with this thing anymore. And that's when it hit me. This isn't an Xbox handheld. This is a Windows PC in disguise. That Xbox mode that they brag about, it's not a separate operating system. It's like an app. You can minimize it and see the desktop right behind it. There's no transition. There's no immersion. It's just Windows pretending to be a console. Mind you, Windows on a 7-inch screen. And honestly, using Windows on a 7-inch touchscreen is just painful. Tiny icons, misclicks everywhere. You open settings, it opens Chrome. The entire interface was made for a mouse and not your thumbs. And as someone who works in tech every day of his life, the last thing I want to do when I get home is troubleshoot another computer. And this is why the Steam OS is still the gold standard. The Steam Deck just works. You turn it on, you sign in, and you're playing. When you switch to desktop mode, it feels like it's booting into another operating system because it's designed for the experience. This ROG Ally X doesn't have that. It's just Windows wearing Xbox clothes. And if this is the latest and greatest, the bar is just way too low at this point. I wanted to love this thing. I was genuinely excited for it, probably more than anyone. But between the cardboard stand, the hollow feel, the endless setups, and the reality of running full Windows on a 7-inch screen, this isn't the future of handheld gaming. It's a tech demo disguised as a console. And yes, I am returning it. And honestly, I'm disappointed that it has to come to that because I really wanted this to win, but I'm not spending $1,000 on this. Anyway, that's my experience with this. I mean, if you love tinkering and troubleshooting, maybe this is for you. But if you just want to turn on something and play, get a Steam Deck. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, guys.